Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Shoe Game. Today I want to show you guys one of my favorite colorways, the Air Jordan 1 Mid Amarillo, which is Spanish for yellow. Some people call them the Ray Guns. These came out in January 22nd, 2020. Retailed for $125, and they resell anywhere from $210 to $250, $260 for like the rare shoes or whatever. But I like these shoes. I like them because they're different. These are like a Halloween color people could go for, or like if you wear them with, you can wear them pretty much like throw some black jeans on. You wear it with just about anything. Like I tell you guys, I don't like to match my shoes because I want them to pop. But anyway, right here, the color parts here are your standard leather. Show you guys the Jordan stamp. As you see, it's got that shine. But right, the black, everything on the black right here is all suede. So it's suede, so it's got a nice texture. It's really comfortable because of the suede. They don't crease that easily, which I like about that. And it's just a good colorway. Show you guys both of them. So you can definitely rock these for like special events, or if you want to rock some orange or yellow, or just black with these, it'll work. Air Jordan stamp on the tongue. And yeah, that's what these are talking about. Tell me what you guys think about these, and stay tuned for more episodes.